Hello there. Today, May 24th, 2021, look at our title. Miss Nine, what are we going to learn? Remember the previous class we were talking about occupations, like for example, salesperson, vet, postal worker, and so on. Today we are going to use those words, but in this case, we are going to ask where. Look at our title, where people work, where people work. So we are going to use those words to ask and answer questions. And we are going to use, in this case, the WH question, where. Where? Let's see. Remember the previous vocabulary, right? So here we have server, salesperson, remember, salesperson, postal worker, what else? Vet, cashier, and librarian. Well, we know those persons, but we are going to ask questions with this word. Where? In this case, where? So when I am going to use where? To ask in or at what place or position. If I want to know where is the exact place of, I have to use where. Let's see an example. Where is the school? The school is over there. Where is the school? The school is across from the movie theater. Where is the school? The school is between the library and the park. So I am giving information using places. But here says and positions. For example, where is my English notebook? Where is my English notebook? My English notebook is under the desk. My English notebook is on the desk. And so on. But in this case, we are going to focus on places. Okay, let's see. Here we have a question. Where does the teacher work? Where does the teacher work? Where? Let's see the answer. As you can see, our friend is going to answer this question, where? But remember that where we are going to get information about a place. In this case, the answer is who is she? That's right, the teacher. The teacher works at the school. Where does the teacher work? Where does the teacher work? The teacher works at the school. The teacher works at the school. That's right. So in this case, remember one more time, we are using the WH question, where? Where does the teacher work? The teacher works at the school. So in this case, here we have the teacher. Oh, the teacher means the night. Oh, yes, you're right. In this picture, we don't see a teacher. We see a bed. So the question must change. Let's see this question. Where does the bed work? Where does the bed work? Where does the bed work? So we can answer The bed, because we are talking about this young lady, but the real information is about the place. So pay attention here. The bed works at the school. Oh, I'm sorry. No. The bed doesn't work at the school. The bed works at the animal hospital. One more time. The bed works at the animal hospital. Great. So let's see here. In this case, this question and answer is in your student book 2. As you can see, here there is a box. Look at the box. And in that box, here we have a question. In this case, the example says, where does the cashier work? Where does the cashier work? Where? Do you know? Let's see in the picture. Look at in number 1. She is a cashier. So where does she work? Let's see. The cashier works at the supermarket. That's right. So in number 2, how will be the question? Where does the cashier work? You're right. We must change this word, cashier. No, the question is, where does the server, that's right. Where does the server work? Where does the server work? The server works at the supermarket. Oh yes, I have to use glasses because then I can see well. Let's see. The server is not at the supermarket. The server is at a restaurant. So the server works at the restaurant. And so on. You can see in picture number 3, 4, 5, and 6 that there are, well, those pictures show different occupations. And using this structure, the question and answer, the information must vary. Remember to practice this. Where does the work? You must answer according to the question. Words at the using the information from the pictures. Another example here. Where does the, for example, postal worker work? Where does the postal worker work? The postal worker works at the post office. So remember to practice this. Thank you so much. See you on Friday. Don't forget to keep practicing, please.